We are Made Plus, a footwear brand born in Annapolis, Maryland, designed for performance, sustainability, and customization. My whole life has been about making, from working in the auto industry to studying design to building products that last. It's not just about making shoes, it's about making something that's more sustainable, more personal, and more connected with the people and the planet. The footwear industry is broken. Most shoes end up in landfills, made far away with no connection to the people who wear them. We wanted to change that. We are here to take market share from the big brands that have lost touch with the people who wear their products. They manufacture overseas, disconnected from their customers. We design and build shoes right here with purpose, quality, and community at the core. All of our shoes are made with recycled materials, built for performance and designed for your lifestyle, whether it's on water, on the court, or on the go. Instead of mass producing millions of the same shoe, we give every customer the chance to make something unique. Picking your colors isn't just design, it's self-expression. Every pair of Made Plus shoes gives new life to 6.5 plastic bottles. What would have ended up in a landfill now walks with you every day. Imagine millions of bottles pulled from the waste stream and turned into shoes that people love to wear. That's what we're building with Made Plus. Annapolis is our home. It's where boating and innovation come together. And the reaction from the coastal communities we're building for has been incredible.
I'm really excited about these shoes because they are so comfortable and they seem like they're really gonna last.
I'm replacing these after 2 years. They've been over 6,000 miles on the boat. They've been all over London and they've held up really great. In fact, I don't need to replace them.
We're building the next generation of footwear. Sustainable, customizable, and made right here in Annapolis. Join us.